Hi, just been with Pierre Driving School. Today morning covering lesson. It's the five hour pre-licensing course, also known as 5-hour class. All right. Lots of students been asking, can they go with a copy of the 5-hour certificate to take their road test at the DMV road test site, right? Folks, we've done no, you cannot. Okay, DMV wants the original of the certificate, not a copy, not the number, not on your phone. It has to be the original. They will not accept any of those things I discussed earlier for under no circumstances. If you do not require a 5-hour certificate because you're under the age of 18, you can get a DMV, a driver's ed certificate, which is valid, a MV285, which is also considered as a 5-hour certificate and valid for 2 years from the issuing date. Nevertheless, you have to take those paper to the DMV road test in order for you to be eligible with the DMV to take your road test. DMV will not go around that. If they have certain exemption, they will tell you what the exemptions are and what are they of for you to do in order for you to go bypass that. But as far as I know, as far as I've been doing I've been an instructor, I do not know DMV will accept you without the document they're needed in order for you to take your road test. And the 5-hour pre-licensing course, 5-hour driving, 5-hour pre-licensing course, 5-hour certificate, it's mandatory, or a MV285 if you're under the age of 18, you did driver's ed, you will need those documentation, those certificates in order for you to do a road test here in New York City. I do not know, or I do not know if things are different from any other states. I live here in New York City. Those are the things that I know are required here in New York City to take your road test. Reason why? We've had this numerous occasion, students from other places saying that they don't have their 5-hour certificate, but they do have a copy of it on their phone. Not acceptable. They don't have their 5-hour certificate, but they have a paper photocopy of it, paper copy of it. Can they take it? Not acceptable. For me, I do not mind, but I don't have the authority. It's above my authority to decide whether you can take your road test or do not take your road test. And if you come to Pierre Driving School with the type of scenario, as I'm making a video about it, we explain that to you as well. Nevertheless, we cannot deny you from not going taking the road test. Like I said again, we are not DMV. We simply can tell you what are DMV required in order for you to take the road test. Now, if you decided for you to go, we will definitely take you to the road test, make you sign a form of acknowledgement. We did explain to you, here's are the DMV requirement in order for you to be able to take that road test. However, you insist for us to take you, we cannot deny you. We're gonna go ahead and through, but our job will be done there. What I mean by that, you agree? We taking you to the test, DMV denying you because of the thing that we told you and you signed acknowledgement for. From there, we will be done, all right? Moving forward there, it's a new package of business. Reason why, we honest upfront and let you know what are the norms are. Contrary to some other people, they will simply just take you. If DMV turn you down, then their job is done. And in reality, yes, because they did their job, they take you. If you weren't in compliance with the DMV requirement, that out of our range, because we cannot tell DMV how to handle the way that they handle their business. They are their own entity. They got their own requirement. How they do their thing, so do the driving school. We have our own requirements as well. We go by the guidance of DMV said. That's what they want at their house for those people to take the road test. We tell you just that. Because why I'm saying that, many people come in with the mentality, who are you to deny me taking my road test I want to go take my road test. You're not DMV, and they're right. We will take you to take your road test. Also, our job will be done as well. You see, we're being fair on both ends. We will take you to take your road test, but our job will be done as well, because we clearly let you know what are the norms are, and you're also right by saying that we cannot deny you from going and taking your road test because we're not DMV. We agree with that 100%. You know, I felt like I wanted to bring that to lights, because anyway, many people understand that. You know, many people may wanna when they wanna go for the road test. They don't wanna hear it. They wanna go for the road test. But understood, there is norms, discipline, and things that they're looking for in order for you to take your road test. All right. So if you guys have any question, put in the comment below. If you guys are new here, my name is I'm Ben with Pierre Driving School. Here in this driving school, we do everything driving. So if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification squad. Each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. In this channel here, we're posting 3 times a week, and every morning we answer questions just like I'm doing now with people, with what you guys are asking in the comment below, and things that are happening in the office. We bring them on as answers. This Pierre Driving School gonna go that direction. Everything that you guys ask, we're gonna come up with the answer with the video, so everybody can benefit from that. All right. Like I always said, any question, thought, and comment. Any question, thought, and concern, put it in the comment below. Any question, thought, or concern, put it in the comment below. Until then, folks, like as always, keep practicing. This Ben here with Pierre Driving School. You take care now, folks. Bye-bye. Making a left turn here.